Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to active two WhatsApp account in one Android phone. So guys, at first go to your mobile settings. Now tap on the search bar and search Dual app. Now go to Dual apps. Now tap on WhatsApp. Now turn on this Dual apps mode. Tap on turn on. Now go back. Now go to your Dual WhatsApp. So guys, now you can connect your second account here very easily. So guys, that's it. That's how you can active two WhatsApp accounts in one Android phone. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.